Ooh, this door feels so heavy. Does that mean we're getting two? We got two! Ah! Puppy Power Toys.
Hello? Is anybody there? Who's out here? Whoa, what's that? More Disney Doorables? No way!
Puppy Pals, look! The new Disney Doorables are here! This is Series 2 and there's 84 to collect! Ooh, let's peek inside. Ooh! Whoa! Wait. Let's look at the bag and see all the characters we can get. Look at Buzz Lightyear! That is so cool! Ooh, I hope we get some rares today. Ooh, and limited edition metallic figures? That is super cool! And we can get fuzzy ones, yay! Now we can really peek inside.
Ooh! Door number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5!
Ooh, there's so many to collect! Look, Alice in Wonderland, and look at Alice, she's falling! And Toy Story, ooh! Mickey and Friends, Tangled! Moana, ooh! And Beauty and the Beast, look at Chip! He's so cute!
Zootopia!
Peter Pan, ooh! And look at the limited edition! Look at that little band concert Mickey! And look, Aladdin! And look at Jasmine, she looks so pretty! Ooh, and the Little Mermaid! Oh my gosh! And they have Wreck-It Ralph, that's so cool! And look, the Lion King! Ooh, there's so many characters for that one! Ooh, and Frozen, look at Olaf! Ooh, he has sunglasses!
Ooh, let's start with this big door!
What's behind here? Ooh! Who's in here? Ah! Look at that! Puppy Pals, we got Mrs. Potts! Oh my gosh, this is totally the one I wanted. Look how cute she is, and she even has the little handle. So adorable!
Who's behind door number 2? Ooh, I hope it's Chip. Who could it be?
Oh my gosh, you're kidding me! Did we get Jasmine? We got Jasmine, and she looks beautiful!
Look, a little window. Who's in here? We get a little sneak preview. Open it up. Whoa!
Oh, I'm so excited to see who we get in here.
Oh, come open. Ooh, who's in here? Ooh, who's this? Ooh, we got Dale. Look how adorable he is with his 2 little teeth and his little tail. So cute. Next one. Who's in here? Ooh.
Who's this?
Ooh, we got Hans from Frozen. Knock, knock. Who's there? Ooh, let's peek through the window. Ah! Puppy Bells, who could be in here? Ooh, come out of here. Ooh, come open. Ah! Oh, there we go.
Ooh, oh my gosh, we got a fuzzy one.
No way! Ooh, you guys, we got Simba, and he is adorable. He's so cute, and he's fuzzy. Oh, so cute. Ooh, next box. Open sesame. Woo!
Who's in here? I cannot wait. I hope we get more Lion King figures.
Ooh, it's not gonna open. What? There we go. Ooh, who's this? Ah!
Ooh, we got Judy Hopps, and look at those pretty purple eyes. She is so cute.
Judy Hopps is just gonna hop over here with her new friends.
Ooh, big door time. Wonder if there's 2.
Nope, just 1. Ooh, but we got a stand this time.
Who could it be? I don't know. Whoa, is that Mickey?
Oh my gosh!
Ooh, we got Mickey Mouse, and he is so cute in his little tux.
And he's so adorable!
Next one. Ooh, who's in here? What is it? Ooh, we got Kakamora from Moana.
He's an evil little coconut. Ah!
Open the next one.
Ooh, please be more Lion King.
Ah! Who's this? Whoa! Oh, we got a red Pascal from Tangled. This is so cool. He is so cute. Look at his little tail. Ooh, Puppy Pals, who do you hope we get in this one? Who could it be? Oh, another Lion King! We got Nala. Look how beautiful she is. So cute.
Ooh, besties.
On to our last box. Ooh, give us some good luck. Ooh, Puppy Pals, we got 6 boxes this time. Who's ready to come out?
Ooh, that door looks open.
Let's open this one. Ooh, I hope we get Aladdin.
Ooh, come open. Ah!
Ooh, who's in here? Ooh, we got March Hare from Alice in Wonderland, and he's got some tea. Woo! Oh, I hope we get some Toy Story figures. We haven't gotten any yet. Ooh, Wreck-It Ralph! so awesome. Next door. We got another stand. Does that mean we're getting a rare one? Who knows? Ooh, we got the Lost Boy from Peter Pan. And he's in like a little fox outfit. So cute. Ooh, this door feels so heavy. Does that mean we're getting two? We got two! Ah! Ooh, look at this awesome door. Let's open our blind bag first. Who could be in here? Whoa! Oh, no way! No way! We got Buzz Lightyear! He is so awesome! I love it so much. I totally love Toy Story. Who's excited for Toy Story 4? Put it in the comments below. Ooh, look at this fancy door. Who could be in here? I love it! Ooh, gotta unwrap it. Who's in our special door? Ooh, I'm not gonna get it open! Ooh, there we go. Who's in here? Ooh, who's that? I don't know. No way. Oh, Puppy Rose, this is like the best one ever. We got Elsa and she's so glittery. Because she's an ultra rare. She is gorgeous. Oh, look at that braid. So cute. Let it go. Let it go. Ah! Who could be behind this door? Woo! Ooh, come out and meet your new best friend. Ooh, who's that? And we got Prince Eric from The Little Mermaid. This is so cute. Last one. Ooh, who could it be? Hopefully it's somebody awesome. Oh, whoa. Oh, no way. We got Mufasa and he is so awesome. And he's so fuzzy. I love it. Look at our cute little family. So awesome. Puppy Pals, which one was your favorite? I think I love Jasmine and the Loin Kings and Toy Story. Wait, I think I love them all. Puppy Pals, I had so much fun opening up the Disney Doorables with you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video.